This mbuzi dry fry is rich, hearty, and full of flavor. A simple, satisfying dish you'll want on repeat. Cut the goat meat into bite-sized pieces. Put the mbuzi pieces in a bowl, ready to season. Add 2 tablespoons each of cooking oil and fresh lemon juice. Season with salt, chili, and my homemade curry powder. The recipe is linked above. Mix until all the meat is coated, then set aside as we prepare the other ingredients. To a pan, add a splash of oil. Add the onions and cook until smooth and light golden. Stir in the minced garlic and ginger and saute for a minute until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and cook until softened and broken down into a rich, thick sauce. Toss in the coriander stems and let them cook for a bit. To season, add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, a little more salt and curry powder, and a tablespoon of my homemade citrus herb seasoning. The recipe is linked above. Mix until everything is coated and cook for a minute or 2. Add a splash of water to deglaze the pan, scraping up all the flavors. Add the marinated mbuzi and mix it in. Cover and let that cook for about 15 minutes or until the meat is tender and cooked through. Add the green bell peppers and mix them in. Cook that for about 3 to 5 more minutes. Sprinkle over some dania, give it a final stir, and your mbuzi stew is ready. And there you have it, a rich, hearty mbuzi fry that is full of flavor. I enjoyed mine with ugali and greens, a Kenyan classic. How would you serve your mbuzi dry fry? Let me know in the comments. If you love mbuzi, you've got to try it roasted. My favorite recipe is linked above. See you there.